Hi, I'm Mikaela Ferguson from Vue Storefront. There's a lot of confusion in the industry today about headless commerce, composable commerce, and the steps to adopt headless. So on April 21st, join us for a webinar to learn more about the difference between headless and composable, the basics of headless and composable commerce, and how headless can benefit your e-commerce business. Also, we'll be discussing, is composable commerce the right fit for you? We'll go through the details on the strategic implementation and share a roadmap for brands who are considering headless but are curious on how to execute. So join me along with Manton from Krish, Nikhil from commercetools on April 21st for the webinar Composable and Headless Commerce, a Not So Secret Path to Success.